Mom and Jim and Chris and Monica. Use your imagination.
I know. I'm gonna go change my shirt because I have.
Oh, open it up. I think I've changed my shirt. What is it, Marla? Your face is priceless.
Huh?
What is that?
Oh, I'm trying it without taking it all out. Obviously gonna have to try and find this place to it.
It's probably an ode to, Michael Jordan, your 40-year-old hero.
Piece of paper right there.
It's not very big.
Huh?
It's not very big.
Oh God. You shitting me. Are you? Nice. That would be my head. That would be my finger. I know what this is. Yep. Ha ha ha.
Forever frozen in time.
Forever frozen in time.
Would you like to say anything to your gifters?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Marla, stop. That's sweet, and I don't know where I'm going to put this.